Looking to get your first robot vacuum, but need a little bit more power? The Xiaomi S40 uses powerful suction, smart mapping to take over the deep cleaning for you. The S40 is a robot vacuum and mop, built to handle bigger cleaning jobs with strong suction and simple controls. It's designed for homes with pets, constant upkeep, and more space to cover. It keeps floors under control without adding extra effort. The 10,000 Pascal hurricane-like suction power pulls up coffee grounds, crumbs, dust, and hair, so that you don't have to keep doing the heavy vacuum runs yourself. Combined with a 5200 mAh battery, it can clean for up to 180 minutes in standard mode. And with a 520 ml dustbin and a 720 ml water tank will reduce how often you have to empty and refill. Multi-dimensional hair anti-tangle technology means the comb-like structure, V-shaped main brush, anti-tangle side brush will work together to reduce hair wrapping. LDS laser navigation quickly maps your home, builds detailed floor maps, and plans efficient routes so that more areas are covered with fewer missed spots. At about 98 millimeters tall, the low profile helps it travel under beds, chairs, and low furniture where dust tends to collect. In the box, you will get the robot, charging dock, power adapter, side brush, main brush, mop and water tank assembly, and the guide you need to help get you started. Place the dock, power it up, connect it to the Xiaomi Home app, and follow the simple setup instructions. Then choose a cleaning mode or schedule and let the S40 handle regular vacuuming and mopping. You can also set carpet preferences and start or stop cleaning with supported voice assistance so that one command keeps carpets and floors under control.